One of the most popular topics today with the rise of technology and social media is passive income. But there are a lot of misconceptions about passive income and what it really is. Passive income at its core is income that is earned with little to no effort on your part. It's passive in the sense that you aren't currently expending time and effort to produce the result. When people typically talk about passive income, in some sense, they are really talking about passive income, but they tend to leave out what got the passive income started. Unless you hit the jackpot of business and content ideas from day one, then you likely won't experience passive income for quite some time. Most people will work hard on their projects and businesses for years before they start to see any passive income from their work. As an example, if you start a YouTube channel and spend several months creating content and uploading videos for your viewers, it will likely take a year or more and 1 or 2 good videos to really get the ball rolling in terms of viewers and revenue. Once that happens, the primary source of revenue will be coming passively because it is being produced by a video that was created long in the past. So it is passive in one sense, but it is also very much built off the back of hard work. So don't get trapped chasing passive income thinking it will be easy and quick to obtain. It is often only passive after a lot of active work.